say goodbye to hardwiring, and say hello to the new Thinkware-compatible OBD II power cable by echomaster. The OBD II power cable enables the same parking mode features as the hardwiring kit without the lengthy installation process. echomaster manufactures the plug-and-play OBD II cable specifically for Thinkware dash cams. This is a great solution for customers that lease their vehicles or own a luxury vehicle, as switch power can be difficult to find in luxury vehicles. The first item in the box is the OBD II power cable. The OBD II power cable has a female OBD II connector, a male OBD II connector, a 10-pin Molex connector, and a power cable for the dash cam. The next thing in the box is the ignition module. The ignition module plugs into the 10-pin Molex connector on the power cable. This module detects if the ignition is on or off. 2 self-tapping screws and 2 zip ties are also included in the box. To install the OBD II power cable, you will need the following: the echomaster OBD II kit, a screwdriver, and trim tools. Let's start the installation by locating the OBD II port on the vehicle. Typically, the OBD II port can be located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Plug the female end of the echomaster OBD II cable into the OBD II port in the vehicle. Next, make sure the ignition is off and plug in the ignition module into the 10-pin Molex connector. On the ignition module, there is a status LED. The LED will emit a slow, consistent flash with the ignition off. The LED will change from a flashing state to a solid state once you start the vehicle. When the LED is on solid, and if your vehicle is equipped with an automatic stop-start feature, a phantom signal will be sent to the dash cam to turn it on and will remain on during the event of a start-stop sequence. The LED will turn off when the dash cam changes to parking mode approximately 2 minutes and 30 seconds after the vehicle is turned off. Now let's test the OBD II power cable. With the ignition off, plug the cable into your Thinkware dash cam. Now turn on the ignition and the dash cam should power up and start continuous recording mode.
Continuous recording will now start.
Make sure parking mode is enabled on your dash cam and turn off the ignition and wait a few minutes until you hear the parking recording will now start notification.
Parking recording will now start.
The OBD II cable is now installed correctly. The last step is to hide the wires. Start from the dashcam power port. Start tucking the wires into the headliner and A-pillar and work your way down to the OBD II port. You can use zip ties to secure the excess wires. The OBD II pass-through can slide over top of your existing port. You can mount the OBD II pass-through to the dash using the provided self-tapping screws. However, we're not going to attach the pass-through to the dash. We're going to neatly zip tie the excess cables together and tuck it into the footwell. The installation of the OBD II cable is now finished. You no longer need to hire someone to install a hardwiring cable or spend hours trying to figure out what fuse to tap to if you decide to install it yourself. You can purchase the echomaster OBD II cable from our website. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our support team and they'd be happy to help you out.